Planning to apply to KR Mangalam University? This video will guide you through its complete application process step by step. Before starting your application, let's quickly go through the important points you must know. Aadhaar card is not mandatory for registration. Class 10th and 12th mark sheets and entrance exam scorecards can be uploaded later. Photograph and signature can also be uploaded later. Enter the exact class 10th and 12th marks. Rounding off is not allowed. For example, if you have scored 85.6%, don't round it off to 86%. Candidates currently appearing for class 12th exams can select the result status as awaited and update the exact marks later. Any changes in the selected course, personal details and academic details after submitting the form can only be made by contacting the university's backend team. Admissions are based on KIEE, the entrance exam conducted by the university, or other accepted national level engineering entrance exams followed by an interview. In case of any admission related queries, contact the helpline numbers or email IDs displayed on the screen. Now let's begin with the registration process. Visit the official website and click on Apply Now. Scroll down to the registration form, enter your name, email address and mobile number. Select degree or specialization, program, school and state. Enter CAPTCHA, tick the checkbox and click on Register. Post successful registration, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Click on Start your application. All application forms page will open. Click on Apply Now under the first application form. The session you are applying for will be pre-filled. Under the course details section, fill in the mandatory fields which are program preference 1 and course preference 1. In the personal details section, your name, email ID and mobile number will be pre-filled. Enter all the other mandatory details in this section. Now enter your correspondence address. Select yes if your permanent address is the same. Next, enter mandatory fields under father's details and mother's details. Under the educational details section, click on 10th drop-down and fill in all the mandatory fields. Now select your after secondary education. If it's class 12th, fill in the mandatory fields under the 12th drop-down. Click on the forward arrow to proceed. Review your payment details and click on Make Payment. You will be redirected to the payment gateway. Select a suitable payment option and complete the payment. For successful payment, your application number and payment transaction ID will be generated. Make sure you save them for future reference. Click on Back to Dashboard. Here, click on Continue Application. On the next page, select Accommodation and Transport option. You can upload your documents later. Scroll down and read the declaration, tick the check boxes and click on the forward arrow. With this, your KR Mangalam application process is successfully completed. Don't forget to print your acknowledgement receipt and application form. All the best for your admission journey.